Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you loads. Well, you guys have been googling me and I am seeing all the questions that are popping up that you have been searching for. So, சில questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபன்னியா இருக்கு, சில questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப வியர்டா இருக்கு, and சில questions ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருக்கு. So, இன்னைக்கு I am going to answer all the most Google questions about Sakshi Agarwal and let's clear the air once and for all. So, first question பாத்தீங்கன்னா it asks, is Sakshi Agarwal married? Well, I think எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் that Jan 2nd, 2025, of course, I got married and Jan 3rd, I announced the wedding. So it happened in Goa in a beautiful location in ITC and I think ரொம்பவே ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஃபேரி டேல் வெட்டிங் நடந்தது and this was something which was my long time dream that with my family's approval marrying my best friend should happen and that genuinely happened. So of course the answer is yes. Second question, who is Navneet Sakshi Agarwal? So, of course, very surprising that, Jan 2nd leda I had let out the news about marrying Navneet and avlo seekrama that has become like the top question in Google. So, of course, Navneet has been my best friend. Almost 15 varshama he's been my friend. And, of course, நம்ம எப்படின்னா சினிமாக்குள்ளே வந்ததுக்கு முன்னாடியிலேருந்து எனக்கு நவநீத் நல்லாவே தெரியும். And I've always been this very strong, independent and very bold woman. And I think that definitely நம்மளோட friend circle, நம்மளோட culture, நம்மளோட upbringing matters a lot. So I would say that my parents have a huge hand in that for making me the strong, independent person I am. And of course, having a good life partner also matters a lot. So Navneet has always been a very good well-wisher. He's always been a strong source of pillar of strength for me. And though ivlo varshama we were in a long distance relationship, he was in the US, I was in Chennai, and literally or varshathla we would meet like once in a year for like 10 to 15 days maximum. Aanalo our relationship has been super strong, super bold and super committed. So who is Navneet Sakshi Agarwal? Of course, he's my all-time friend, long-time friend, my best buddy, my mentor, my guide, my philosopher, and also currently my life partner. So the next question is, where is Sakshi Agarwal from? So இப்படி பார்த்தோன்னா அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஐம் இன் இண்டியன் அண்ட் நான் பிறந்தது உத்தராகண்ட் அல்மோடா அண்ட் வளர்ந்தது கம்ப்ளீட்லி இன் சென்னை. ஸோ என்னோட ஸ்கூலிங், என்னோட இன்ஜினியரிங், என்னோட வீடு, ஃபேமிலி, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே சென்னை தான். ஸோ ப்ராப்பர் சென்னை பொண்ணு தான் நான் சொல்வேன். ஸோ நான் யூ கைஸ் டிசைட். ஐ ஹோப் தட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் யுவர் கொஸ்டின். So the next question is, were Anushka and Sakshi friends? Not really. I really wish we were friends, but not really friends. But I love her. Next question is Sakshi Agarwal a fitness freak? Of course I'm a fitness freak and எனக்கு fitness எப்படின்னா it's just not a part of my life, it's become a part of my lifestyle. So it's like a lifestyle choice. And of course last 2-3 months என்னோட fitness routine கொஞ்சம் மேலே கீழே இருக்கு because of continuous travel, because of shoot, because of the wedding and so many things. But I make sure that I am at least following my diet properly. ஏன்னா fitness பார்த்தீங்கன்னா first it's a state of mind, second it's like a therapy for me, and third it really is very important that whenever you start again, right, even if there is a big gap, நம்ம எப்போ திரும்பியும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோமோ we can pick it up from where we left it. So அதனால having a very strong diet is very important. And when it comes to fitness, it's about 80% what you eat and 20% exercising, right? So on the diet விஷயம் I have been following like very strictly, and of course I am a fitness freak. Okay, so the next question, my god, most interesting. Did Virat Kohli date Sakshi Agarwal? Well, if only, but no, the answer is no, I did not. And the once for all, na in the rumors close pannidren. I am very happy to see Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma happily married, and I love watching their chemistry. Avangaloda cute videos, avangaloda the roasting each other and the reels that they put up. I think they are adorable as a couple. So I'm so happy for them. And right now, I think I'm just enjoying watching him play, and I think this entire journey that he's on, right, he's a big inspiration. So definitely, whether it comes to fitness, whether it comes to discipline, whether it comes to his mind thoughts, I think he's a huge inspiration for our generation as well, and for the coming generations. So hats off to you, Virat. So the next question is, who is Sakshi before marriage? Well, before marriage, I was an engineer, MBA gold medalist, worked in Infosys, also a very strong, bold girl, and have been modeling, acting, been a part of Big Boss reality show, Nariya movies pannirken, different languages le, whether it is Kannada, I started my career in the Kannada film industry. Yena modeling ange start panne. So Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, of course, being my primary market segment, and apart from Big Boss reality show, I've done like also some music albums, and recent times le pathina ennode most notable films pathona, I would say Kala, Vishwasam, then Cinderella, Aranmanai 3, Teddy, Bagheera, Naan Kadaval Illai, and Ippo pathina Adharma Kadegal, Bestie Malayalam movie, Orayiram Kinakalal Malayalam movie, Ring, Four Sorry, and the latest sensation, of course, Fire. So, idha Sakshi Agarwal before marriage, and even after marriage, that is Jan 2nd lendu pathina back to back releases poitirukku, shooting poitirukku. So Sakshi Agarwal continues to be the same before or after marriage. Endha maatramo illa, endha or change illa. In fact, now I feel like since Navneet is in my life, I would be able to do much bigger things, much bigger announcements. The reason being that always they say, right, that two is better than one. So namlode synergies, when they mix, I think as a power couple, we should be able to do big things, and we have big plans. Of course, a lot of investments are on the way. So a lot of B plans are on the way. So before marriage, after marriage, Sakshi is the same. So I hope that answers your question. Next question. How old is Sakshi Agarwal? Really, guys? Well, I would say that, how old is Sakshi Agarwal? Like, the question itself sounds really weird because it's like, how old are you? எப்போவுமே யாருமே இந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாலே எனக்கு ரொம்ப I find it very funny. Not only now, even when I was like in school, college and all that. So I would say that the answer to this, because நான் இந்த வீடியோ பண்ணுறேன், I am going to answer your questions. I was born on July 20, 1990, and now you can do the math. But honestly, never ever ask a girl what's her real age. Never ask her the question, how old are you? I think it's the most weirdest question to ask someone, because really, honestly, age is just a number, and it really doesn't matter, right? So yeah, July 20, 1990, and July 20 is the year where I think all of you Nariya ennode photo shoots பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, நிறைய travel பண்ணுவேன், because on my birthdays it's always been like either I want to travel or I want to work. So generally நான் shooting spotல தான் இருப்பேன். Suppose shooting spotல இல்லைன்னா I like to travel. So shooting spot பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு birthday I was in Kala shooting spot, ஒரு birthday I was in the Big Boss house, ஒரு birthday I was in Guest 2 movie shooting spot in Kodaikanal. அப்புறம் ஒரு birthday during COVID time I was at home. எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வீடு வந்து சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணாங்க. லாஸ்ட் இயர் பர்த்டே ஐ வாஸ் இன் கோவா, பேங்காக். அதோட லாஸ்ட் இயர் பர்த்டே ஐ வாஸ் இன் கோவா. அதோட லாஸ்ட் இயர் பர்த்டே ஐ வாஸ் இன் ஹவாய். ஸோ யா, so how old am I? You do the math. 20 July 1990. So the final question is Sakshi Agarwal active on social media? Of course I am active on social media. I think I am one of the most active people on social media, and if you are not following me still after watching this video, you have to follow me. Instagram you can follow me on I am Sakshi Agarwal, and of course this is my YouTube channel, Sakshi Agarwal Diaries. And my whole idea of being active on Instagram and YouTube is, of course, to be able to entertain, to be able to educate, and to be able to bring ennode stories to life and to share it with all of you. So if you like this video, we have come to an end of this video, and I have almost pretty much covered all the questions. The rest of the questions are like, who is Dhoni's ex-girlfriend? different. I think all these questions are coming because of the name Sakshi. So anyway, I'm not going to answer those questions. என்னோட related questions மட்டும் நான் answer பண்ணிட்டேன். And these were the top questions that I found about myself on Google. I hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions that you still want to know answers to, you can put it in the comment section. கண்டிப்பாக நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த வீக் இல்லைனா நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் நான் லைவ்ல வரேன். அண்ட் லைவ்ல உங்களோட எல்லா கொஷின்ஸும் நான் ஆன்சர் பண்ண போகிறேன். பட் பை த வே, love you guys so much. You've always been a great support to me, and I am enjoying this entire journey of being on YouTube and connecting with all of you. So stay blessed, take care, and up until next time.